Well, here it is, Friday afternoon. Friday afternoon, our daily rainfall. It is once again flooding my 4 acres, and I just got done cutting my 4 acres. So there, I was lucky. But all the animals are hanging around me again because they think the lightning. They don't like the lightning and the thunder. So here we go again. So, this is every afternoon, about 3 o'clock. Don't go out. Stay. 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 And there you go. Yes. Once again. It's like a repeat, isn't it? It is. It's like a repeat of the other day. Because this is every day. Every day. And I'm not complaining. I love the rain. It cools it right down. What are you barking at? Stop. Don't be barking. I don't know what you're barking at. But anyway, I just thought I'd share our little storm with you all again. Like I said, this is a lot of fun. Like I said, I did get my cutting done. And I did say I'm going to go out there with my GoPro. But every time I get ready to go out there with the GoPro, this happens. Which is no big deal. I should go out there with the GoPro anyway. On the tractor. Okay, catch you later. Hey, want to go for a canoe ride? You can do it right now. Kayak ride or whatever. Hey, catch you later. Catch you all later. Bye.